Okay, the beginning of lesson 6 covers reciprocals. And in order to divide fractions, you first have to turn one of the fractions into a reciprocal. And it's always the fraction on the right. Okay, but let's first define what a reciprocal is. And somebody want to tell me what a reciprocal is? Nathan.
A reciprocal is the upside down version of fraction.
Exactly. It's the upside down version of your fraction. Okay? So if you notice, the airplane starts off with 1 over 2, and then it's just like the airplane is doing a barrel roll, and it ends up as 2 over 1. Okay? A few fractions over here, we found the reciprocal of 3/5. You just turn it upside down. 1/3, you turn that upside down to 3 over 1. And 11 turns into 1 over 11. Because a whole number always starts off, we just don't write it as a whole number over 1. Okay? All right, so that's the first part, is understanding a reciprocal. Okay, so the process of dividing fractions is as follows. Okay? They have 5 divided by 2 over 3. All right, you guys can see that on your screen?
Yeah.
Okay? Now, if you notice, what did they do with the division sign? They changed the division to a multiplication sign. Look at that where it says divide by a fraction on your screen. All right, and then they did the following steps. Okay, after they did the multiplication, they changed the 2/3 into a reciprocal of 3 over 2. All right, so they took 5 over 1 times the reciprocal of 2/3. Okay, so basically you're just flipping a fraction upside down, and then you're going to multiply it. Okay, you're not dividing anything. All right, that's how you divide a fraction. You take the reciprocal and then make it into multiplication. All right, and if you notice, what did they do with 7 divided by 2/3? They made it 7 over 1, right? And what did they do with the 2/3? Jada? Yeah, they put 3 on top. Okay, they made it 3 over 2 instead of 2 over 3. And then they changed the division sign into multiplication. And you're just back to doing what you were doing in the lesson 5. Just multiply straight across. Okay? And if you notice, they did that. You look down here, it says 7 times 3 is 21. 1 times 2 is 2. So you end up with 21 over 2. But we can't leave that as an improper fraction, right? So if we just do the same thing, we do 21 divided by 2, and you end up with 10 and a half. Okay? So basically, it's the same thing we've been doing. It's just that we're adding another step, all right? And what's that new step? You flip the fraction, okay? So once you get that reciprocal and you flip the fraction, it now becomes multiplication. All right, you guys ready to try it?
Yeah.
All right, let's try one. Okay, so let's work through D. All right, we're going to take and put 6 over 1. Your division sign is going to change to multiplication. And you always do the reciprocal of the fraction on the right side. Okay, so you're going to flip 3 over 1. All right, and then you multiply straight across. And you end up with 18 over 1. Okay, it's the same process for E and F. You're always going to do the reciprocal of the fractions on the right. Okay? Reciprocal of those. All right, if you have any questions, send me a message or email me, and I'll also be online right after school if you need help.